In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keyframe in Shotcut, the easiest way for beginners. Keyframing simply means telling Shotcut where an effect starts and where it should be at a later moment, and the software automatically animates everything in between. It's how you make things move, resize, or zoom smoothly instead of staying the same from start to finish. To keep this simple, we'll use a quick zoom example with a filter. With your clip selected on the timeline, go to the Filters panel, click the plus button to add a new filter, then choose the one called Size, Position, and Rotate. Depending on your version of Shotcut, it may appear as Size and Position, but it does the same job. This filter controls where your video sits in the frame and how large it appears, which makes it perfect for a clean, controlled zoom. Now look for the keyframe icon in the filter controls. It's the small diamond-shaped button. Click it to enable keyframes for this filter. Once keyframing is on, Shotcut Records changes at the time you make them and creates a keyframe automatically. Move the playhead to the exact spot in your clip where you want the zoom to be in full effect. Think of this as your target moment. At that frame, adjust the zoom by changing the size value or by using the on-screen handles in the preview. Make the frame tighter or larger until you're happy with the composition. That adjustment drops a keyframe at the playhead, marking that point as the moment your zoom reaches its intended size and position. Here's what Shotcut does behind the scenes. It keeps the earlier frames at their original size and then gradually transitions to the zoomed-in size by the time it reaches your keyframed point. The spacing on the timeline between where you started and where you placed the keyframe controls how fast the zoom feels. More time between those points means a smoother, slower zoom. Less time means a quicker move. The beauty is that you only had to set the keyframe at the moment you want the zoom to land, and Shotcut handles the animation for you. That's really it. Add the filter, turn on keyframing, place your playhead where you want the effect to peak, and adjust the size. You've just created a clean, beginner-friendly keyframed zoom in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.